turned out to a boss.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the archive. And this is Mr. T-Man, Mr. Theo. Big ol' great Newfie. He's actually a little puppy boy. He's a Great Pyrenees mixed with a little Newfoundland. He's a little cutie patootie. Yeah. He's about 3 weeks old. Not 3 weeks old. 3 months old? 4 months old, I would say. Okay, buddy. And he's a little bit of a biter, I'm gonna be honest with you. He does a little bit of nipping, but nope. But he knows a few good tricks. He knows sit. He knows that. He knows shake. Good boy. Shake with your right paw. Right side. Yeah, shake. Then he knows down. Now this one's a little bit hit or miss. Down. This one's a little bit hit or miss sometimes, so we'll see. Stay. Leave it. Leave it. Stay. Stay. Nope. Stay. 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 You better just, you look like you have no paws, buddy. Looks like you have, okay. Or go for it. Okay, well, anyways, that's Mr. Theo. He's a little puppy. Actually, I want to show you guys something really cool that he knows how to do. Actually, it's not even something that he knows how to do. Mr. T-Man here, he likes to run, and there's only one spot I let him run in my house, or not, around my house. There we go. Oh, you look adorable, don't you? All right, let's run. Here we go. Oh shit, you're so fast. You're so fast. Run, you little zoomer. Sit. Theo. Sit. What? Stay. Okay, come here. Yeah. You little munchkin. You little munchkin. You little munchkin. Theo, come here. No, Theo. No. 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 Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat the camera. No. No. Don't eat the camera. No. Come here, buddy. You little rascal. Roar. Roar. Little rascal. Roar. 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 Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Yo, vermin. Not some fun. No, no, no. Don't bite me. Don't bite my clothes. On the top of my camera, there's this little thing. This is how you guys are able to hear me. This little microphone up here. This little dude ends up ripping this thing every time. There's hair. You guys will probably have to watch all the videos. I'll probably show him a bunch of things, get some toys for him, see if he likes any of those. But this is good old Theo. He'll be in a bunch of the videos. He'll be in a bunch of videos and stuff like that with you guys. Couple other updates. I did sell the M3. Ended up selling that just because I didn't drive as much because I have a little doggy dog, little Theo, little Mr. Theo. So since I have a dog, I don't want him like poking holes and everything in my leather of the M3, so I ended up selling it. Also, it was a little, you know, just, I never drove it because, well, I had a dog and I always carried Theo in the Jeep. So anyways, now I don't have that car, allows me to have a few extra funds to do stuff to the Jeep, go out and do things, have a bunch of fun in the Jeep, give you guys some wheeling videos. I was supposed to go off-roading this past weekend. Didn't end up being able to go do that. The plans didn't really work out, but hopefully we're gonna go do some winter wheeling and throwing some mud everywhere, some snow. That'll be super fun. But anyways, you'll probably be seeing a lot more of this man, this little guy. And a bunch of the videos to come. I will say, if anybody does want to get a puppy though, they can be, they are a lot of work to take care of them, to train them, to get them to do things, to understand what they can and can't chew. just to be like a normal, good, civilized dog. Come say bye, buddy. Wanna shake? Shake? Yeah. Good man. Good man. Alright, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did, in fact, enjoy. And remember, you always got one life. Live it. Then I turn up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits.